All right, we're going to take a look at the density equation. The density equation is here on this chart. D equals M divided by V. I like this little chart. It has a lot of different stuff on it. You can see the units that are used for each of the variables, and you can see some examples that they give, that they like to give down here. So if you want to pause the video, you can take a longer look at that, but it's a pretty good chart. Let's take a look at our triangle. How would we use D equals M divided by V in our triangle? It's pretty simple. D would go on the bottom, M on top, and V on the right. And so we know that would be D equals M over V. We know it would be M equals D times V, and we know it would be V equals M divided by D. That would be the three ways to rearrange that. All right, let's do our first example, and you can fill this in on your sheet here. It says, what is the density of a bolt that has a mass of 14 grams and a volume of 2 milliliters? All right, so what is given is mass of 14 grams, volume of 2 milliliters. And what we're looking for is density. The equation that we're going to use, if we go back to our triangle, we're going to cover up D, and we're going to be left with M divided by V. So it's going to look like this. D equals M over V. We're going to fill in the equation, so this is our work. D equals mass of 2 milliliters. I'm sorry. Volume of 2 milliliters. Now I got it backwards. Let's try again. So the mass is going to be 14 grams, and the volume is going to be 2 milliliters. All right. Our answer with our unit is going to be 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And the unit, again for density, remember, for the unit we take the unit for mass divided by the unit for volume. So it's going to be grams per milliliter. So the answer would be 7 grams per milliliter. All right, next example. What is the volume of liquid silver sample? It should say of a liquid silver sample that has a density of 0.125 grams per milliliter and a mass of 1.2 grams. So again, our given, we are given 0.125 grams per milliliter. That's our density. We're also given 1.2 grams. That's our mass. And we're looking for volume. So our equation is going to be V equals, go back to our triangle, V equals, so we're covering this up, and we're going to have mass divided by density. V equals M divided by D. Our work looks like this. V equals mass of 1.2 grams, density of 0.125 grams per milliliter. The answer is going to end up being 9.6. Now, units. The units are going to be for volume, and so we're going to have our milliliters. So 9.6 milliliters would be our answer there. Density calculation number 3, I'm going to let you do on your own. So you can fill that in, write down what is given, write down your the equation you're going to use, write down your work, and show your answer and your